Greetings, Benjamin J from Ben's Trains with another in the series. Well, I got a message saying since I had two 8601s, why not run them in tandem? So since this one had a broken pilot, I just drilled a small hole in it. I've got a loop attaching it to the tender in front of it. So I have essentially a tandem 8601. See how this runs. Zoom, zoom. Pull a lot of cars, that's for sure. So an 8601 double header. Anyway, this reinforces everything I say. Don't overlook the jump. $12 for that locomotive with the tender. As you see, it runs absolutely splendidly. So anyway, since I got the message asking about running in tandem, I thought I'd go ahead and do a quick video and run a double header. As you see, it gives you substantial pulling power. Haven't put the headlight in the second one yet. But as you see, it runs absolutely perfectly. So the 8601 double header pulling, I think there's 12, 13, 14 cars on there. Not really sure. But as you see, it runs well, no doubt. So anyway, I've had more than $12 worth of fun today working on this thing. That's running really, really well, as you can see. Anyway, just a quick video. Got a request to run them as a double header, and here they are. Two Lionel 8601. Both of these are resurrected junk locomotives. Both of them. They both have 490 front bezels on them. Anyway, as you see, it only takes a few minutes to be able to put one of these things together. In this case, I have two of them running as a double header. It actually looks pretty good. So anyway, just a quick video. As always, if you have any questions, feel free to drop an email, BENZTRAINZ@gmail.com. And as always, thank you for watching.